Turmeric is an ancient secret for hair growth, used for centuries to grow thick, beautiful hair. And I'm sure is in your kitchen cabinet right now. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the science of how this mighty root fights hair loss, the biggest mistakes I see everyone doing so that you can avoid them to get the best results, the upgrade option that makes turmeric 40 times more effective, plus my exact DIY turmeric hair mask recipes. And stick to the end because I'm gonna give you tricks and hacks that will make your hair grow like crazy that no one is talking about. Class is in session.
Let's first talk about the science. Why does turmeric even work for hair growth? Think of your hair follicles like little gardens in your scalp. When your hair is falling out, it's usually because your garden has 3 problems. Problem 1, there's a fire, your scalp is inflamed. Maybe from stress, hormones, or just bad genetics. This is inflammation like a wildfire in your garden, killing everything. Problem 2, there's weed. There's the hormone called DHT. It's basically the villain of hair loss, and it's like a weed that chokes your hair follicles and slowly kills them. Problem 3, the soil is depleted. Your follicles don't have enough blood flow or nutrients or the right environment to grow strong hair. And that's where turmeric comes in. Turmeric contains this compound called curcumin, and it's like a 3-in-1 solution. It puts out the fire. It's one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds on earth. Number 2, it kills the weed. Yes, curcumin actually blocks the enzyme that creates DHT, aka 5-alpha reductase. It's like pulling the weeds out of the root. Number 3, it enriches the soil. It increases blood flow to your follicles and creates the perfect environment for your hair to grow. Regular turmeric powder from your grocery store, your body only absorbs it about 10%. It mostly just sits on top of your scalp, doing absolutely nothing. There are 2 ways to fix this. 1, use specific ingredient combinations that force your scalp to absorb the curcumin better. And I'm going to show you exactly how just in a minute. 2, use a concentrated form called Capilia Longa, which is basically biotechnology. It's the stem cells of the turmeric, which is 40 times more powerful and actually penetrates deep into your hair follicles where the magic happens. Think of it like this. So regular turmeric is like throwing seeds on top of concrete and hoping they grow, whereas Capilia Longa is like planting seeds in a rich, fertilized soil. The clinical studies on Capilia Longa are honestly mind-blowing. So studies show up to 89% reduced hair loss, 52% increase in hair density, so the hair doubled in thickness, and new hair growth after 150 days of daily use by reactivating the hair follicle regeneration cycle. So when I saw these numbers, I literally said, why is nobody talking about this? That's why I formulated it into the Essence Scalp Mist. But again, you can also DIY versions at home that work incredibly well, but I'm going to show you both. Okay, before we get into the recipes, let me save you months of wasted time by telling you the mistakes I see everyone making. So mistake number 1 is using it alone. People just mix turmeric with water and slap it on the head. Listen, curcumin by itself is not water soluble. It doesn't penetrate your scalp. You need to mix it with oil, but not just any oil. You need MCT oil or fractionated coconut oil, because the molecules are small enough to actually carry the curcumin into your follicles, not just sit on top. Regular coconut oil, it's too thick. The molecules are too big. Mistake number 2 is not adding black pepper. I know that sounds random, but stay with me. There's a compound in black pepper called piperin that increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. 2,000%! Without it, you're wasting 90% of your turmeric. With it, your body actually uses it. But you only need a tiny pinch, but it's absolutely non-negotiable. So mistake number 3 is wrong timing. Here's something crazy that the research shows. Your hair follicles have their own internal clock. They're most responsive to growth signals between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. That's when your body produces the most growth hormones and your follicles are literally awake and ready to absorb nutrients. Applying turmeric treatments or any hair growth treatments in the evening before bed is scientifically proven to be way more effective than doing it in the morning. Most people don't even know this. Mistake number 4. I mean, this is universal, but giving up too soon. Hair has a growth cycle that takes about 90 to 120 days. And if you quit before then, you'll never see results. But around week 4 to 6, you might actually shed more hair. And this freaks people out, so people stop. But that shedding is actually really good. It's your scalp pushing out weak, dying hairs to make room for new, healthy growth. If you quit during the shedding phase, you'll never get to the regrowth phase, and that applies to all hair growth solutions. Mistake number 5 is you're using low quality turmeric. Most turmeric powder at the grocery store is like 2 to 3% curcumin content. You need at least 5 to 8% for hair growth. Check the label. If it doesn't have a curcumin percentage, it's probably weak. This is why concentrated forms like Capilia Longa work so much better. they're standardized to 40% plus curcumin. You're getting way more of the active compound in every application. Okay, so this is the perfect recipe if you're just starting out. So you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of Radiance oil or fractionated coconut oil, make sure it's melted, 1 tablespoon of honey, tiny pinch of black pepper. You're gonna mix everything in the bowl until it forms a paste. And if it's too thick, add more oil. And if it's too runny like here, I'm gonna add more turmeric powder. You don't want it to be too runny because turmeric stains, and if it gets into your face or your fingers or anywhere, it's going to be a nightmare. So you want to apply it to your scalp, not just your hair. And you really want to focus on your thinning areas and massage this in for 2 to 3 minutes in circular motions. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and then shampoo twice to remove all residue. I actually shampooed 4 times because it takes a lot to get turmeric out of your hair. I would recommend doing this 2 times per week for the first month. Okay, so this is recipe number 2. So before I show you the daily Essence Scalp Mist, I need to share something that honestly blew my mind. Most people don't know this, but you can actually buy fresh turmeric root at grocery stores. And it looks like ginger, but it's smaller and it's bright orange inside. And using the fresh fruit instead of powder is a completely different experience. But here's why this matters, because when turmeric is dried and ground into powder, it loses some of its volatile oils and enzymes. Fresh turmeric root still has all of those compounds intact, including these things called turmerones that help with scalp cell regeneration. Think of it like eating a fresh apple versus eating freeze-dried apple powder. Both have benefits, but fresh just hits different. Plus, in Ayurvedic medicine, which is like 5,000-year-old Indian healing practices, they've been using fresh turmeric root for hair growth for literally centuries. And there's a reason grandmas in India have thick, gorgeous hair well into their 80s. So let me show you how to do this the traditional way. So you're going to need 2 to 3 inches of fresh turmeric root, about the size of your thumb. I'm using way more because I'm making a big batch. 1 inch of fresh ginger root. This is optional, but honestly, it's amazing. 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and a pinch of black pepper. You can either blend it or grate it. So make sure you look for fresh turmeric in the produce section. It's usually near the ginger. It should be firm, not soft or wrinkled. The skin is brown, but the inside is this bright orange color that will stain everything. And when I say everything, everything. So heads up. You can also order it online or grow it yourself if you're into plants. Turmeric is super easy to grow. Okay, so these are the 2 methods. So the first method, which is the easiest method, is the blender method. So you wash the turmeric root, but don't peel it because the skin actually has the nutrients. Chop it into small chunks. Add it to the blender with coconut oil and Radiance Hair Oil. If you're using ginger, chop and add that too. And you want to blend on high for 1 to 2 minutes until you have a very smooth paste. Add honey and black pepper, blend for another 30 seconds. And you can strain through a cheesecloth. This is optional. I would actually recommend doing this, but I didn't have a cheesecloth. So method 2 is the grater method. This is more traditional. So you grate the turmeric root, you grate the ginger as well, and then you mix it all together with honey and black pepper and mash it all together with a spoon until it forms a paste. And you can use it with the pulp or strain it for just the juice. Make sure you wear gloves when handling fresh turmeric, unless you want orange fingers for 3 days. Seriously, it stains like crazy.
Turmeric stains a lot, but guys, I've got a secret weapon. My fingernails are yellow. I didn't wear gloves, but I'm gonna wear gloves. But wait, I've got a secret weapon. Look what I bought. It's a, I broke it. It's a poncho. It's one of those ponchos. I bought it on Amazon. It has a built-in hood because basically I had cling film, but we threw it away because we don't know how to use cling film, and it just like got annoyed. But this is so cool. Wait, let me put it on. Let me put it on. Wait. This is actually ingenious. Oh, look at it. It's so good. And look, you can just like do this as well. So you can incubate yourself so that there's no turmeric anywhere. Okay, got some gloves. Let's get these gloves. And I'm gonna apply, I made those 2 recipes, but I'm gonna apply both of them because I like to maximize the ting. I'm gonna start off with this one. It's you should really kind of put it in through a cheesecloth, but I don't have a cheesecloth and I can't be bothered. So I'm just gonna put it in. Oh! It's dripping down my face. Uh-oh. Okay, I think that's, oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, this one is actually really, really messy. Oh my God, it's dripping. I can feel it dripping down my face. This is a disaster. If you get it on your face, make sure to wipe it straight away so it doesn't stain your face. Rub that in, and then I'm gonna get something I made earlier. Easier to apply because it's not as messy. I actually had to add water because I added water to the other one. That's why it's so runny. So this one doesn't run. So this one's a lot easier to apply because of the honey. So it makes it stick. The amount of mess I'm making is actually insane. Wow. Oh my God. Right. I think more than the poncho, you're probably gonna need to put some plastic on the floor as well because boy, this is messy as.
So those two recipes genuinely work. I want to be transparent because after testing all of this for months and diving deep into the research, I realized that the most effective approach combines regular turmeric treatments with that concentrated Capilia Longa form. Because here's the thing, DIY turmeric works on the surface level. It reduces inflammation, blocks DHT, improves circulation, but Capilia Longa goes deeper. It actually wakes up your dormant stem cells in your follicles that regular turmeric can't reach. And it feeds nutrients to the hair follicles to grow thick and strong. So it's way more efficient. So that's why when I created the Essence Scalp Mist, we formulated it with Capilia Longa as the star ingredient. Plus rosemary oil, niacinamide, bringraj extract, and red clover. Basically everything that the research says actually works on hair growth, all in one bottle. So it's £60 for a 3-month supply. It isn't cheap. But if you compare it to dermatologist visits, for example, $200, $300, GROWBAND, which is $40 for 1 month supply, plus it's full of side effects and it irritates your scalp. Hair transplants, $4,000, $5,000. PRP injections, $500 per session. It's actually the most affordable science-backed option. But here's my honest recommendation. If you're on a budget or just starting out, try the DIY recipes I just showed you and give it 90 days. You'll see results. But if you want faster, more dramatic results, combine the DIY masks with a concentrated Capilia Longa in the Essence Scalp Mist. If you're dealing with severe hair loss, you probably need the most concentrated stuff because the DIY alone probably won't cut it. And it's super easy to use. It's actually not messy at all, like the turmeric. You spray it into your scalp and you massage and you're done. And you don't stain your fingers. But either way, you now have all of the knowledge to tackle this yourself. Okay, so you've got your turmeric treatments ready, but here's what separates people who see insane results from people who see meh results. You can't just slap stuff on your head and hope for the best. You need to activate the scalp. So step 1, the scalp massage technique. Before you apply anything, spend 5 minutes massaging your scalp. There are specific pressure points that increase blood flow to your follicles by up to 300%. So the crown, the top of your head, press firmly with your fingertips for 30 seconds, like so. You also have behind your ears in the base of your skull, use your thumbs in circular motions for 1 minute on each side. Then your hairline, pinch sections of the hair at the root and pull gently for 1 minute like so. And try and pinch the scalp using your fingers. So in your temples, use your knuckles in firm circles, right, like so, for 1 minute. And this is backed by research. So scalp massage alone has been shown to increase hair thickness by 24% over 24 weeks, just the massage. So when you do this before applying your treatment, you're increasing absorption by 2 to 3 times. Okay, step 2, this is the temperature trick. So remember when I said warm your oils, there's a specific temperature that matters. Research shows that heating curcumin to exactly 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees, not hotter, activates the compounds and makes them 2.3 times more penetrative. But above 160 degrees Fahrenheit, you start destroying the good stuff. So use a thermometer if you have one, or just warm the oil until it's comfortably warm to touch, like a nice hot tea. Okay, step 3, this is the timing window that I spoke about. Apply your treatment between 8 to 10 p.m. and your hair follicles operate on a circadian rhythm. They're more receptive to growth signals in the evening when your body starts producing growth hormones. And studies show evening application is 40% more effective than morning application. So step 4, this is the consistency rule. This applies to anything in life, by the way. You need to commit to 90 days minimum. Set calendar reminders, take before photos, track your shedding, and I promise you, if you quit at day 30 because you don't see massive changes yet, you'll never know what you missed. Hair growth is slow, it's frustrating, but it works if you stick with it. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one recipe from this video or the Essence Scalp Mist, commit to it for 90 days, take before photos, And trust me, you'll want them. Track your progress every few weeks and notice when you're shedding reduces. Count those baby hairs, document it, and then come back in 3 months and leave a comment with your results. I respond to every single one, and I genuinely want to know how it goes for you. But here's the thing. I know how devastating hair loss is, and I know what it's like to avoid mirrors and feel embarrassed about your hairline and wonder if you'll be bald by 30. And I also know what it's like to get your confidence back. So if this video helps even one person feel better about themselves, it was worth making. And all the recipes are timestamped in the description, so you can come back to them whenever you need. And I've also linked the specific ingredients I use, the high curcumin turmeric, the MCT oil, all of it. And if you want to try the Essence Scalp Mist with Capilia Longa, that link is in there too. Save this video, screenshot the recipes, share it with someone who needs it, and let me know in the comments, are you team DIY or team concentrated serum? I'm curious what route you're going to take. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy hair growing.